Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. In 1906, his marriage was arranged to a 9-year-old girl, Ramabai, full stop. In 1908, Ambedkar got the opportunity to study at the Elphinstone College, becoming the first from the untouchable community and later went for higher studies to the USA, full stop. He acquired numerous degrees to his name, including 4 doctorates, full stop. Paragraph change. After returning to India, Bhimrao Ambedkar decided to fight against the caste discrimination that almost fragmented the entire nation, full stop. This led to the upsurge of Dalit movement, through which he favored the concept of reservations for Dalits and other backward communities, full stop. Paragraph change. For 2 years, after 1935, he served as the principal of Government Law College, Mumbai, full stop. He constructed a house, which consisted of a library, stocking more than 50,000 books, full stop. In 1936, Ambedkar founded the Independent Labour Party, which initiated his political career, full stop. In 1937, in elections to the Central Legislative Assembly, his party won 15 seats, full stop. Ambedkar oversaw the transformation of his political party into the All India Scheduled Castes Federation, full stop, paragraph change. He published a book the same year, inverted comma, Annihilation of Caste, comma, inverted comma, which strongly criticized orthodox Hindu religious leaders and caste system, full stop, paragraph change, inverted comma, you cannot build anything on the foundation of caste, full stop, you cannot build up a nation, full stop, you cannot build up a morality, full stop, inverted comma, paragraph change. He served on the Defense Advisory Committee and Viceroy's Executive Council as the Minister for Labour, full stop. His reputation as a scholar led to his appointment as Free India's first law minister and as the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee, full stop. He was also a noted scholar and an eminent jurist, full stop. Ambedkar emphasized on the construction of a virtual bridge between the classes of the society, full stop. According to him, comma, it would be difficult to maintain the unity of the country if the difference among the castes were not met, full stop. Around 1950, Ambedkar wrote a book on Buddhism, inverted comma, the Buddha or Karl Marx inverted comma and soon converted himself to Buddhism, comma, in the backdrop of his disgust towards Hindu caste divisions, full stop, paragraph change during 1954-55, comma, Ambedkar suffered from serious health problems including diabetes and weak eyesight, full stop, on 6th December, comma, 1956, comma, he breathed his last at his home in Delhi, full stop. A Buddhist style cremation was organized for him and the ceremony was attended by hundreds and thousands of his supporters, comma, activists and admirers, full stop, paragraph change, on his birth and death anniversaries, comma, and on Dharm Chakra Pravartan Din bracket 14th October bracket at Nagpur, comma, millions pay homage to him, full stop. He was voted as the inverted comma greatest Indian inverted comma in 2012 by TV channels polls, full stop, paragraph change. The leader, comma, throughout his life, comma, fought for the rights of Dalits and other socially backward classes, full stop, framing the Constitution and guiding it through to adoption was his greatest political achievement, full stop, owing to his immense contributions, comma, Dr. BR Ambedkar's name is firmly imprinted on the sands of history, full stop, stop.